How to track your transactions on the blockchain network. After you complete your transaction at the machine, you will receive a text message with a link to check on your transaction status. Click on that link and enter your phone number. Next, you may be required to go through a verification process selecting images that match the description at the top of the screen. You will then receive a verification code via text message that you will type in on the screen. Now, go ahead and click on the link next to Transaction ID. You will then be taken to blockchain.com where you can see if your transaction has been confirmed. If you see unconfirmed, that means that your transaction has not yet been processed on the blockchain. This means that your transaction still needs to be confirmed. Check back in a few minutes, and when you see status confirmed, then your funds will appear in your digital wallet. If you have any questions, reach out to our live customer support.